It's reassuring to know that when we get on a plane, visit a doctor, or go to the dentist, we're safe in the hands of someone who knows what they're doing and has proved this to the highest standard. Gaining a qualification or passing a certification tells the world you're an expert in your chosen field. As IT systems become ever more ingrained in the way we work, it's crucial to ensure that the people implementing and maintaining SAP systems are trained and certified to the highest level. SAP Consultant Certification is the mark of a true SAP professional. Our goal is to ensure that every implementation is implemented and supported by certified SAP resources, and we're working closely with SAP partners to achieve this goal. SAP certification is designed with real job roles in mind, so you can be sure that the certification you take will be relevant in the real world. SAP certification is available at both associate and professional level, so those with more experience can demonstrate those credentials. And certification can be good for you in other ways too. According to a 2014 IT Skills and Salary Survey, 2/3 of IT professionals surveyed said that certification has a positive impact on base salary. We're adding more certifications in areas such as cloud, mobile, and user experience all the time, as well as specialty certifications, so you can prove your expertise no matter the area you specialize in. So take the first step to joining a community of over 330,000 SAP certified professionals today by visiting our dedicated certification page on training.sap.com/shop/certification.